So, you have to be nice with him. You're still floating. You have hangover from last night also? Look at your eyes. Sleepy? Huh? Hangover?
Biscuit, are you okay?
Yeah, she's still sleepy though. Are you tired? Look at it, look at it. Where's Cookie? Where's Mommy Cookie? Oh, she's there. So next time when you see Oreo, we're gonna go to the beach.
You say sorry.
So you will, oh, you're not even listening to me now. You're not even listening to me.
He's dozing off.
Oh my God. Be nice with Oreo, okay? If you keep barking with Oreo, overprotective ka, we're gonna leave you here. We're not gonna bring you to the island. Okay? Where's Mommy Cookie? Wala, you're ignoring me now. Where's my beautiful Mommy Cookie? Where is she? Cookie girl! Yes, my baby love. Yes, where are you? Hello. Mwah! Bye, my cookies. Mwah! My cookie stinky girl.